Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. And if you watched my Vlogmases, you will understand why Phoebe is so excited right now. She cannot hardly contain herself. You can't really see her. She's just out of frame here, but she is so very excited because she thinks it is something special for her today. Oh goodness, she cracks me up. So today's video is about the mystery blanket Loom Along, and today we're getting row 11. Now I do want to say that if you are new to the channel and just now learning about this mystery blanket Loom Along, it's never too late to jump in and join this. This is a long-term project, and the project consists of 40 rows. Today we're getting row 11, and also it's a work at your own pace project. And so you can go back to my channel and there's a playlist that starts with the introductory, telling the colors we're using and all that kind of stuff that builds up to row 11. So and basically we're using the flower loom to create this blanket, not little blanket, it's gonna be a big blanket. But anyway, I did take I was working really hard on it every week to get my rows done, and then as the holidays got here and I had other things, that had to get done and get out, I cut back on, trying to get the whole row completed, but just continuing to work on colors and making my circles. So I have my basket of just tons of circles here. Come on, Phoebe, get back over here. Oh, goodness, she made me drop my card. And so, excuse me. So anyway, saying that to say, even if you jump in now, you're not behind on the project because it is a work at your own pace. If you want to stretch this out to, 2 years, 3 years, whatever, that's your choice. And in talking with my husband on projects that I have coming up for 2020, and things that I have going on, and he was like, I told him I wanted to have this blanket done by September, early September, and he was like, no, you're not going to do that to yourself. That I have, other blankets and stuff that I need to work on and get finished too. And actually, I have some large blankets that I want to enter in the fair for this next year. So I'm going to stretch this blanket out to be the next year's fair. But anyway, so I'm continually working on it. But I just won't be pushing myself to get it completed by September. So let's get on into row 11. Almost at 7. Row 11. Okay, so this is the lineup, and you can click the link below to get the strip and look at it for yourself. And please double check me, because last week I messed up really bad on it, and so I was thankful that some others had mentioned that, and I was able to delete what I had put in the comments because it was totally wrong. And just to forewarn people to go with the graph and not my words or what I typed. But anyway, so row 11 is 7 turquoise, 12 spring green, 1 citron, 2 spring green, 1 citron, 2 spring green, 3 citron, 1 spring green, 3 citron, 1 spring green, 4 citron, and 3 turquoise. So, and I counted up, I looked at the big picture and counted up, and we have, this is row 11, and we have 11 more rows before we will add in a new color. So, just keep trudging along with these 3 main colors here. We have used the dark green, but we're not using it right now. It will come back into play a little bit later. So mainly right now we're using the turquoise color. Let me see. This, we're mainly using the turquoise color, spring green, and the citron. That's the colors we're using right now. And in 11 more rows, we will add in a new color. So, I can't wait to see what everyone guesses the picture's going to be. If you have guesses, you can, come on over and guess over there on the LlamaMamaKayla Facebook group. And I hope you're all still enjoying working on the project. Oh, Phoebe. I hope you're all still enjoying working on the project at your own pace, even, if it's a little here and there. And Phoebe's so excited. She just thinks that she's supposed to be getting something special. And if you watched my Vlogmas videos, you'll know what it is that she is desperately thinking she's supposed to get. Oh my goodness, Phoebe. You were silly. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you all. I just wanted to give out the row 11 lineup so anyone who's ready to get started on that can. And I'll be back soon with another video for you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you.